Hi everybody, good morning. We're doing Bugforge today. Bugforge Shady Oaks Financial Trusted Investment Platform. As always, we do our what I'm doing now. Um, Disable cache. I'm doing persistent login so we can start with register. They say start with one multi-currency support. Now, if I do username. For name, password, 123. If I click, the endpoint is nothing special. Register a request. There's no rule there. We have a response, we have a token. It call all these endpoints. There's no way to play with this endpoint, at least on my C. The storage endpoint is local storage. You have session, and we can see role is user. This we can't. You can try JW token it. You can't play with it. The other question will be if there is an point in this room. Basically, if your room do go bust directory, you can check them. So we can see this one. We can portfolio. We can this. Can history. We can also we have your admin. Um, but whenever you do like go bust check directories listing, for example, taking you one, for example, a get request. So the question is if there is an admin, for example, let's say administrator, for example, um, a response it tell you doesn't, but that's interesting. There is one. If you do a go buster, you can detect it if you do animation directories. Um, I need to enable JavaScript. That's funny. Where are you? So you have this request. If I open admin, this today room is a bit easy. You can just we got so it means we have an admin portal. So it is an admin portal that you can just ask access to directly. So this one you can see a low hang fruits like you said /admin /administrator things like that to check that if you can, and you can see we can ask access the admin portal, and suddenly we can access the user without well, that's why the today room it talk about broken access control. It means there is an admin panel but is not protected, so you can just go /admin, and that's when you do this room start always admin password or just write directory /admin administrator. You can say /admin, you can just log to it and straightforward this room. Yeah, so it's basically the endpoint admin exists. If you are in GoBuster, you can get this one straightforward. Yeah, thank you everybody and have a good day.